So today we want to make the pounded yam using the Ninja blender. So show you inside the blender what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and this is the remainder of the yam. Now this is the cooked yam. So we put it inside the blender. So I'm using this to take that, and then later when I start blending, I'll use this on the sides of the blender. So you can I can even take this out. So we've tried using the um, food processor, but we decided to be using this because it seems to turn out better. This is quite a lot. Okay, cover it. Thank you. So it's on. So sometimes I just start on low, sometimes I pause. So let's see what. Yeah, so let's put it. So I use this to because it's wood. So in case there's some stuck on the side. Now it's on low. What's this ball? It's okay. See, it's forming. See, so it's almost ready. Just so it's ready. Let's turn on the lights. So now we'll put it in the plates. It's So what I can do, so I'm going to be using my hand. I'm the one going to do it. So how do I take that?
It's sharp.
I should use.
You should use a
this
metal spoon.
No, I wanted to just pull this up. Okay, let's just use. I'm trying to do this.
It's the only hard part.
Okay, let's do what I want to do.
I'll spin the bottom.
Oh, okay. So if you're spinning the bottom to get it out.
So pulling the top down.
So this is the hard part because we made a lot today. But usually it just falls out.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah. You can put that on the plate so that you use your hand for that. Serve some on your plate. You can scrape that after. No, come and serve some from here on your plate. Okay. Where are you taking it? No, I want to put up there.
On here?
No, on my plate.
Okay.
No. So give me a plate. Let me hold it. So this is it. This is pounded yam, just like you used a regular mortar. And of course, you could serve it, put it in water to serve so that it doesn't stick. But just wanted to show you that you can make pounded yam. You can use the blender. See, the egusi here made with melon seed, palm oil, peppers, onions, and kale. So it's a staple in Nigeria. Thank you.